Believe it or not, I was in the entertainment industry actually before I went to law school. And so after I graduated high school, I went and worked with my buddy designing sound systems for nightclubs in the DC, Baltimore area. I was always interested in the law, and so I attempted to bridge the gap between the music industry and law, and go into enforcement work for artists that I can't come close to their creative genius, so somebody needs to protect it. People think music industry lawyer and they think representation of artists, but there's a lot more to it than just that. The courses that stand out the most to me are copyright law, contract law, tort law, criminal procedure. I touch upon all these in nearly every element of work that I do. I was one of the editors of the Intellectual Property Law Journal here. There are theories of different parts of IP law that can help you shape arguments, even if they're not, directly related to copyright law themselves. Aspects of the case may be novel on the criminal side. We can pull from civil theories and other aspects of IP law to be able to make our arguments a little more strongly bolstered. One of the things that I enjoy most outside of the actual legal work is I get to participate in handing out the gold and platinum sales awards to a lot of the artists that come through DC. And it's really neat to see the humanity that comes out in the artists when you present them with something that's so important to them and at the same time is of complete surprise to them that they have hit that achievement.